Crankcase explosion relief valves are critical safety devices fitted to medium and large internal combustion engines. In this course, we're going to look at the topics of crankcase explosions, oil mist detectors, and crankcase explosion relief valves. You will learn what causes a crankcase explosion, what the effects of a crankcase explosion are, how we can detect potential crankcase explosions before they occur, and then we're going to take a detailed look using an interactive 3D model at a crankcase explosion relief valve. We will look at two different designs of relief valve, all of their main parts, and then I'll explain to you exactly how this special type of valve works. If you're interested in the maritime industry, particularly marine engineering, perhaps you're training for a new certificate or studying at college, then this is the course for you. Hope to see you on the course.